Hey, good morning, friends. Mark Holmes here, of course, with my son Michael Anthony Fitness, and we're here at our day job. And today we're working on a house that's very near and dear to me, actually my mother's house. What we have is we have a wooden post that is literally rotted out at the bottom. Take a look at this. There's nothing there any longer, and it's not holding anything. So we're going to actually take and replace this. Now, you can't just pull this out regardless that it's not really holding anything, but you want to support this. So what I've actually done is I've made myself kind of a jack here. What I've done is I've taken a 2x4, okay, and made it so it's about an inch longer than the way it's dropped down. And I'm putting it up here. And what I'm doing is I'm going to tap this in place, put a couple of screws in there. That'll hold it. We can get our measurement for our new post, and then we can go ahead, put the other one in, take that off, boom, and we're out of here. So we're going to go ahead and tap this up. Hold that for me for a second, Mike. Let's see. All right. Now, you see, we've got it off the base. I'm going to put a screw in here just to lock it in here while we're working for safety. We'll get you a newborn. Okay. All right, so now we got that secured. We're going to cut this and cut it up here and replace the post. Okay, so we put a 2x4 underneath the rails here. We actually cut that off, so now the post is free. Look at that. So we're going to be able to pull this on out and get our new post cut. So you guys, let's see if you can hold on right there while I try and pull this out. Let me see the hammer. Oh, maybe don't need it. There we go. Okay. Out of there. See if it's still solid. That's still solid. Perfect. All right, let's get a measurement for the new post. $90.5. All right, so we've got a new post, but we also have a foot to go on the bottom of it that's plastic, so that way it'll keep it out from underneath of it. Now, what you always want to do too is when you put a post or wood like that is you want to seal the bottom of the wood itself so that way it doesn't suck up all that moisture like we have on the other posts. Let's take a look at that post. Well, okay, so we've got our post cut to length here, and we're ready to put it in place. Now, what I want to show you is we actually have this plastic foot. That plastic foot won't rot out, and the other nice thing about this is it has an angled screw hole. So we'll take actually our hammer drill and we'll put a masonry screw in there, which will keep it from being able to kick out in the future, because a lot of times what you'll find is as things settle, they'll move, or the post is actually in there, somebody runs into it and all of a sudden it gets kicked out. So this is going to eliminate a problem. So let's go ahead and get this on over to the site, and we'll go ahead and put this in place. Okay, I guess he's going to carry it. So let's go ahead and get this, pop it up underneath here. Got a long ways to go. There we go. Dead on. All right. Put a few screws to lock it in the top, and then we'll put a screw in the bottom to lock it to the base. Now we're using, these are actually composite exterior screws. They're a hex head and it's a trim screw. So these will go in here, they won't rust out, and they'll also make a nice clean hole. See, it's basically built like a drill bit. A few more screws. Good and tight. Now we'll fill the nail holes in with some sealant, and then we'll go ahead and paint it, and it's good to go. We'll take the other post down that supports it. We will be out of here. And that's it. We got a new post. Just need to put some paint and stuff on here, but this will be here for a good long time. So as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, subscribing to Joe Boo's Day Job. And if you have a question that you'd like me to answer, maybe we can do a video to answer your question. I'm Mark Holmes, and I'll see you soon.